Want to build secure, containerized applications with confidence? Let's dive right into securing your Amazon Elastic Container Registry, or ECR, using Hashicorp Vault. First, it's essential to have an AWS account set up, and the AWS CLI installed and configured. This will allow you to interact with our services from your terminal. Don't forget to have your IAM user with the appropriate permissions, such as those for ECR and Vault. Now, let's talk about Hashicorp Vault. Ensure you have Vault installed and initialize. This involves setting up a storage backend and unsealing the Vault server. Then, you'll want to configure it to store your secrets. Think of Vault as your digital safe that is used with your ECR. Next, create Vault policies that define how different identities, like your CI/CD pipelines or service accounts, can access your secrets. These policies will grant specific read and write permissions to certain secrets, such as access keys, which will only be accessible to certain resources. Apply these policies carefully, while ensuring only the resources that need access have it. The integration is where the magic happens. Configure the Vault to automatically generate IAM credentials with the ECR access key. You can use a Vault backend secrets engine. Create a policy that grants read access to a secret path, and then use that policy with the Vault CLI to fetch and use the key. Your application can then use the Vault agent to automatically authenticate and retrieve these secrets. Finally, test your setup by deploying a containerized application that pulls images from your ECR within your container image. Replace hard-coded ECR credentials with references to Vault. You can then use various methods for integrating Vault secrets to your deployment, keeping every step secure. Congratulations, you are on your way to securing your ECRs. With this setup, you've established a robust, auditable, and more secure foundation for your container image deployments. By understanding the interplay between ECR and Hashicorp Vault, you're protecting your infrastructure. Remember to subscribe for more security tutorials.